Hey, it's David. I'm at 9413 East Meadow, Vale in Austin's Quail Creek neighborhood. We're just north of 183 in between Mopac and I-35, close to the Domain, the Apple campus. Quick shot to downtown or the airport. It really can't be beat as far as location. This home's been beautifully renovated. It's got a new roof, new water heater, new floors, new windows, new kitchen. It's got a great flex room. It's perfect for a studio, an office, a Zoom room, or a place to practice yoga, or simply just kick back and read and enjoy some extra space. Let's go inside and take a look. So one of the first things people may notice is this cedar accent wall on the outside. It's local cedar, which makes it really neat. And it's just a nice little added touch. The door is made out of mahogany. It's brand new, and there's a lot more inside. Come on. So when you first enter the property, you're going to definitely notice the vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, beautiful accent points on the fireplace, which is wood burning and gas starting. It's got beautiful built-ins that are great for accent pieces to help in decorating the home or to provide extra space for some books. And the wood flooring is just perfect. It matches the home wonderfully, and it really adds to the character of the space. Behind me, you'll notice a great open kitchen. The dining area is situated in between the living and the kitchen area. So when you're entertaining friends or preparing a meal for your family, there's a lot of opportunity there to stay engaged, to enjoy the company of your friends or family, and to really still be in the mix. It's one of the most appealing things about the open kitchens, and it's something we always look for my clients in our homes, and this one's got it. Now, I mentioned a flex space a moment ago, and this is it. It's a perfect spot for a yoga room, an office for Zoom calls, or just a place to get away and quietly read a book, relax, take your mind off of things. It's so important to have that space these days, especially as they're spending so much time at home. I think it's a great room. They've outdone themselves, and it's a beautiful addition to the property. So the guest bathroom's meticulously outfitted. It's been retiled. It's got a new fixtures and vanity. It's just beautiful. And they've added a door in between the larger secondary bedroom and this. So the secondary bedroom, which I'm about to walk into, can actually be treated effectively as an owner's suite. It's got its own bath, but this also has access for guests, making it quite special and really serving two purposes. Now, I'd mentioned a large, oversized guest room, and this is it. It's a beautiful room. It's very large. It's got its own access for privacy to the large guest bath we just went through, and it really adds a lot to a guest's ability to feel at home or comfortable. It's also a great spot to have an in-law or a longtime guest or a roommate. And you can even use it as an additional office space or a workout room. So it's really a pretty significant area within the home, and something you're not going to find in other properties. So one of the most important things in a home, of course, is the owner's suite. Well, this one's got it all. We've got a walk-in closet, brand new carpet, updated, fully tiled out bath. It's just really special, not to be missed, and you're definitely going to be comfortable. It's quiet here. It's got plenty of light. It's a really nice space. So there you have it. It's a beautiful home. The new buyer is going to be very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to set up a tour to take a look at it, just let me know. Otherwise, keep an eye on the market. We'll be coming on soon. 9413 East Meadowvale. Thanks.